This is Charlie B's from the hazelnut farm
Yeah.
where we both got stung and it was raining.
Yeah, Chainsaw Charlie.
And here we go. Here is the swarm. And you can tell, look at that. Yeah. They're not fat, they're not sugared up. Ready? All right. Got stung quite a bit there. Man, that was gnarly. All right, it's 8:15 now in the evening, and these bees are going to go all the way down in this garden here. Oh, she did a good job putting this path in. There's the log. It's got a skep over there. Actually, I'm kind of of the mind to... Whoa, she did a good job here. Let's see. Man, these bees are pissy. It's interesting, there was honey and comb in that other box. They were devouring that, so they must, I don't know, they must have been really hungry or something. So, anyway. I'm trying.
Let's see if I even have any enough light.
All right. What am I going to do? I think maybe what I'll do is I'll open this up for now and leave it until tomorrow morning.
Okay.
And then come back.
Are you just going to turn it over and set it on top?
I'm just going to leave it like this.
Okay.
And then I'll open up the front.
So they can fly out?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
Because they're going to be, at least when I come back, maybe like when it's nice and warm and they've been foraging.
Oh yeah, so most of them will be away?
Yeah, exactly. Now,
Bees are away.
I know what you're thinking. Are you Yeller?
I'd be Yeller. Oh, I call that Y.
Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna.
When did you capture them?
Huh?
Did you get them today?
I just got them. Yeah, I was up. I got a call about 5 o'clock from a buddy of mine, and the swarm was up at his property up in Molalla. So I was like, I'll come up and get them.
They're already swarming.
Yeah.
And still need.
Okay then, let's do this here.
Well, they'll be happier.
Whoa. Yeah. Okay, I'm out the firing line.
Aren't they sleeping?
Yeah, they're not. There's no action in there. But I'm not going to... Oh, here they come. All right, I'm back here this morning. Well, it's about 12 o'clock now. And I am not taking any chances. Because these buggers, they were brutal yesterday. And even when we were back up at the back of the house, they still came looking for us. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, this is good. Just gonna get some smoke here. Get away. Gotta get these guys into this log, because if not, it's going to be a bugger to... I think they're going to build the comb in this box real quick.